Welcome back, children, to our class 4 mathematics. Okay, what are we going on through? We are in chapter 4. What is chapter 4, children? What is chapter 4? Knowing numbers. Okay, class 4 mathematics. And what is our lesson? Chapter 4. And now we are solving the textbook problems. Yes, what all the problems are there in the textbook? We are solving one by one. Previously, we have done it from page number 33. Yes, some problems we have solved it. So let us now continue from page number 35 now. Today is page number 35. Okay, children. Okay. Class 4 Mathematics, Chapter 4, Knowing Numbers. So what is the question here? Exercise problem, children. Page number 35. Exercise. It is a tabular problem, children. Okay, word problem of table form. Okay, so what is the question here? The highest score of the batsman in an innings is given. In one day international cricket match 2012 is given to you. So I'll draw a table here. Okay, then we will solve the problem as per the table. So firstly, I am writing down names of the batsmen, runs, then country. Children, so let me write the name. First one, Saeed Anwar. Then next, Sachin Tendulkar. Then next, Virendra Sehwag. Then next, MS Dhoni. Lastly, Vivian Richard. Yes, children. So now let me write the batsmen, runs of these batsmen. Okay. So firstly, Saeed Anwar. He has how many runs? 194. Sachin Tendulkar, 200 runs. Then Virendra Sehwag, 219 runs. Then next MS Dhoni, 183 runs. Then lastly, Vivian Richard, 189 runs. Now, last box, countries. Okay. So what is the first one? Saeed Anwar. He belongs to which country? Pakistan. Then next is Sachin Tendulkar. He belongs to which country? India. These all you know, na? Famous player. Then next is Virendra Sehwag. He also belongs to India. MS Dhoni. Yes, he is also from India. And next last is Vivian Richard. He belongs to which country? West Indies. So this is the box we have drawn here. So what is the question here heading? The highest score of the batsman in an innings in one day international cricket match till 2012. Okay. The highest score of the batsman in an innings in one day international cricket. International cricket match till 2012. These are the scores till 2012. Okay, so this is your heading. Now let us come back to the first problem. What is the A question? So A question is, who have scored the highest number of runs, in an innings. Okay, this is the first part of our question. In an innings in one day international cricket. Okay, the next part is, to which country does he belong? To which country does he belong? Okay, children, so this is our question. Now let us write the answer here. Now first one, who have scored the highest number of runs? So you can see that the runs are being given in the second column. Yes. So now I'll write all the runs scored by the batsman. So first one is 194, 200, 219, 183, 189. So these are the scores of the 5 players. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now you say me how you will see the highest number. How you will check it? All the numbers you can see here are the 3-digit numbers. Yes? How many digits? 3 digits. All are having 3 digits here, each number. So now in 3-digit, what is the next step? You will check it. All are 3-digit means now you have to check the 100 place. Yes? Each number 100 place. Now what is the highest 100 place here? Underline the highest 100 place. All are 1, 2, 2, 1, 1. Okay. So what is the highest here? 2 is the highest. So we have two numbers are there starting with 2 in the 100 place. Now when the 100 place are same, you will then check the 10th place of only these numbers. What is the 10th place here? 0 and 1. In 0 and 1, this is the highest, 1 is the highest. Okay, so this is the highest score. What is the highest score here? 219. Okay, 219 is the highest. 219 is the highest runs among all the numbers. Now, what is the second part of the question? To which country? Okay, so 219 belongs to which country? So, the second part of the question is country. He belongs to India. And who is he here? Who is he? Virendra Sehwag. Virender Sehwag. Virender Sehwag, he belongs to which country, children? India. So our A question is completed. Yes or no? Understood? Okay, now let us go on with the B question. So, what is the B question? Which batsmen have scored runs between 100 and 200? Which batsmen have scored runs? Which batsmen have scored runs? Which batsmen have scored runs between 100 and 200? So now, how many batsmen are there between 100 and 200? We have to write 100 between 100 and 200 means what, ma? Starting from 101 to 199, 101, 102, all the numbers which come in between 100 and 200. 102, 103 till 199, and you can see that between it is told. So we cannot include 100 and 200. Should not be included. Only the numbers from 101 to 99. Okay, this is called between. So now let me write the runs of the batsmen. Okay. So runs of the batsmen. So now the runs of the batsmen are firstly 194, then 200, then 219, then 183, 183, lastly 189. These are the runs. The children? Okay. Now what we have to go on? It is between. Yes? So firstly, 194, it is between 100 to 101 to 199. It comes in between 101 to 199. Yes or no? Let me draw a box. So last limit is 200. It cannot be this. Then here it is 100. Okay. So firstly, 194. 194 is just bigger than 200. 194. The next is 200. We cannot include that. So 200 is cannot be included. You have seen here. Yes. Then next is 219. It is also bigger. So we can bigger than 184. So 183. Okay. Then lastly 189. 189 is also in between 101 to 199. So 189. Okay. So which batsman have scored runs between 100 and 200? So 193 is scored by whom? 183 is scored by MS Dhoni. Yes. And next is 189 is scored by whom? Vivian Richard. Vivian Richard. Okay. And lastly, 194 is scored by Saeed Anwar. Saeed Anwar. So what was our question? Which batsmen have scored runs between 100 and 200? Yes, 100 and 200. So which batsmen are those? MS Dhoni, Vivian Richard, Saeed Anwar. So how many are there? 3 batsmen. 3 batsmen. Those are these. Okay, children? So this is our B1. Now let us come to the C1. Okay. So what is our C question here? C question is, which batsmen have double century? Which batsmen have double century? Yes, our C question is, which batsmen have double century? Which batsmen have double century? Yes. So century means how much? Century means 100. So double century means twice. Double century. Okay. So century means how much? Century means 100. So no, it is given there. It is a hint which is given to you. Double century means 2 times 100. Yes, children? Century is 100. So century is equal to 100. Double is equal to 2 times 100. That means 2 times 100 means 2 into 100. So that means it is 200. So now what we got it here? Double century. That means the players who have scored 200 and more than 200. Yes? we have to write those names. More than 200. Equal to or more than 200. Okay, children? So now let us start with the players. So firstly, Saeed Anwar. So what are the scores? Let me write down the scores first here. Saeed Anwar is 194, then 200. Sachin Tendulkar, Virendra Sehwag, 219, then 183 and 189. So these are the runs. Now 200 and more than 200. Here what are the runs? 200 and more than 200. So you can see that this is not included. Then 200, it is equal to 200. It is more than 200. Okay, this is less than 200. This is also less than 200. So we cannot include. So how many players we got it here? 2 players. Okay. So which batsmen have double century? Which batsmen have double century? So which batsmen? Okay, 2 batsmen have double century. Who are those? That is, so who is 200 here? 200 is Sachin Tendulkar. 200, Sachin Tendulkar. And the next one is 219. Who is 219? 219 is Virendra Sehwag. Virendra Sehwag. Okay, children? So this is our second answer, C answer. Question and answer. Is it clear? Okay. Now let us go on with the third one. D1. What is the question, children? So the D question is, write the names of the batsmen in the order of their runs. Write the names of the batsmen, the names of the batsmen in the order of their runs. In the order of their runs. So this is our question. Runs scored from highest to lowest. Runs scored from highest to lowest. Okay. So what we have to write? We have to write the names. Names we have to write in the order of their runs scored from highest to lowest. Okay. Let us firstly write down the batsmen and their names. All the batsmen and their names I'll write down with their runs. So firstly, Saeed Anwar, Sachin Tendulkar, Virendra Sehwag, MS Dhoni, Okay. So I have written there Saeed Anwar, Sachin Tendulkar, Virendra Sehwag, MS Dhoni, and Vivian Richard. Okay. Now let me write down the runs. Saeed Anwar, he is 194 runs. Then Sachin Tendulkar, he is 200 runs. Then next is Virendra Sehwag, he is 219 runs. Then next is MS Dhoni, his runs are 180. Then last is Vivian Richard, his runs are 189. Now what is the order we have to arrange them in? From highest to lowest. From high number to the low number. So highest to lowest. So first let me write all the scores from highest to lowest. So when we check the numbers from highest to lowest, you will firstly see all the numbers are of 3 digits. You can see there. Okay, first you see the 100th place. Highest number in the 100th place is, what is the highest number? 1 and 2. Okay, so now 2 numbers will become the highest. Now among these 2, now 100th place is the same. Okay, 100th place for both are the same. Now we'll check the 10th place. When the 100th place are same, we'll check the 10th place. Now in 10th place, here it is 0, here it is 1. Which is the highest here now? So 219 is the highest. Okay, so what is the first number here? Highest number? 219. So when this is finished, what is the next number? 200. Remaining highest number is 200. So these 2 numbers are over. Now you can see the remaining 3 numbers are having 1 in their 100th place. Now 1 means 1 is the same. Now we'll see the second place. Here 8, and here 9. So 9 is the highest. So what is the third highest here? 194. Now 2 numbers are left. 189 and 183. Now 10th place is over. 10th place are the same for both. Now we'll see the 1st place. 3 and 9. Which is the highest? 9 is the highest. Yes, 189. What is the remaining number here? 183. So we have arranged the numbers from highest to lowest. So what is our question here? We should write the names of the players. Yes, we have to write the names of the batsmen. So 219 score is done by Virendra Sehwag. Virendra Sehwag. Then this 200 score is done by Sachin Tendulkar. Sachin Tendulkar. Then 194 score is done by Saeed Anwar. Then 189 score is done by Vivian Richard. Then lastly 180 Dhoni.
MS.
Yes, children. The lastly MS Dhoni. Okay. Yes or no? So we have arranged from highest to lowest. These are the names. So now our D part of the question is finished. Okay. So now let us do the third problem, children. Second one we'll do it in the second module we'll do it. Okay. Now let us write the second question. What is the third question, children? Not second, third question. Page number 36, third question. Okay. Page number 36. Third question. Page number 36. Third question. What is the third question? I am a 2-digit number. I am a 2-digit number. 2-digit number I am a two-digit number with 6 in the unit place. 6 in the unit place and 1 in the tens place. Then who am I? Who am I? So this is our question. Let us try to do it. Answer. So what is given here? I am a two-digit number. Okay. Firstly, 2 digits. 2 digits means what are the places we have it in 2 digits? Draw the box like this. It will be easy for you not to be confused. So 2 digits will have 2 places, 10, 1. Okay. Is it clear? 10s and 1. So now second part of the question, 2-digit number with 6 in the unit place. So what is the unit place here? 1's place is the unit place. So what is there in the unit place? 6. Okay. Then the next part of the question is 1 in the tens place. So tens place means this place. So what is there in tens place? 1. Okay. So now what is the number formed here? Number is 16. If you combine the number, you got it as 16. 16. Is it clear, children? So who am I? I am 16. Yes? Okay. So by this, we are done. So what did we learn today, children? Class 4, mathematics. It's chapter 4. What is the name of the lesson? Knowing numbers. Knowing numbers. And what did we finish today? Exercise problem, we have done it. Exercise. Yes. Page number 35. First problem. And page number 36. Third problem. Okay. Yes. These two problems we have done it by today, children. And remember, children, in my class campus, I'll give you the worksheet and some problems to solve, to practice, okay? In my class campus, what will I send you? Worksheet and some questions. Try to solve by yourself in the form of a test, children, okay? Worksheet and some tests I'll send you. One day I'll send you the kiosk through, okay? Through my class campus. I'll give you time for 2 or 3 days. The next Monday, I'll send you the key of these worksheets. Okay. Now, the remaining days I'll go on like this, children. And till now, what we have completed, in that only I'll send you the worksheet. Worksheet is nothing but the questions. Firstly, I'll give you the questions. Then, in the next module or in the next till Saturday or Monday, I'll just send you the answers for that. Try to do by yourself, children. It will be easy for you. Whether it is clear or not, whether you are understanding or not, it will be known to you. Okay? Okay, children. Take care of yourself. Listen to your elders. Goodbye, children.